what's happening? It's day 26 here in Thailand. Nearly been here 4 weeks now. And I am just about to go and see the land split. It's like a geological something I was reading last night, but I was tired and I want to go and see it. So that's what you're getting from me. But as for the bike, right, I've got a wee bit of a problem. This is thinking off. I don't know, I think this is me. This and that. I don't know how much that's going to cost. Hopefully not too much. But we're going to find the land split. Don't know what it is. Right, maybe I'm not going to see the land split today. It's closed. Right, on to something else. So I've just arrived at the Pang Waterfall, or the area that it's in anyway. I'm going to go and see what it's like. I should probably the bike back together. The only problem is now there's a wee bit of a scratch, so hopefully it's nothing that I can get fixed. Look at this. Mental. Right, but after here I think I'm going to go and see that cave, but it's like an hour's drive and then I think you need to get a boat or something. So we'll see how it goes. But I mind a wee trip on a boat today. Why not? So here it is. This is a waterfall I've seen quite a few times on YouTube. There's some bit that you can slide down. On YouTube it looks fun, but it looks a bit dodgy here. Fuck knows what bit it is. I'm pretty sure it's there. You slide down it. And then you can go first one in there. We're going to go up, have a wee look and see what's happening. I'm dying to get in that water, but I don't know if I want to go first in the wee slide. Maybe wait and see if somebody else goes. It's not busy, but it's not quiet either. It's like 10 people here, so let's chill here and just chill here and let me see what's happening. Have you been in the water yet? Have you been in?
No.
I thought, see on YouTube, I've watched a few people.
Yeah, I saw the guy sliding off the floor.
Have you saw them do it?
Yeah, I saw a guy do it.
Whereabouts was it? So I'm going to do it.
So,
maybe not right this second, but yeah, just watch yourself. Well, get the shirt.
I saw him walking over here and then he kind of disappeared and then I saw a big splash, so I'm willing to try it later, but I'm hoping to get too hot first and then I'll be motivated to get into the water.
It's a good spot, isn't it?
Lovely.
How long have you been in Thailand for?
Just a week. Well,
a week?
About 10 days.
How long do you plan on staying?
5 weeks.
Yeah. This is day 26 for me.
Sorry?
Day 26.
Or 26?
26 days. Yeah, I'm doing daily vlogs.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, just trying to... It's for the future to look back on, but I seem to be getting a small following, so I'm like, that's not too bad.
That's not too bad at all.
Yeah.
Wish I had like the motivation to do it.
I had the craziest day ever yesterday. I went to the White Buddha.
Yeah.
Then I went...
It's like the one that's being renovated.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
I went there.
Then I went to Thai Canyon, then I found some other waterfall.
Oh, really?
I can't remember the name of it, and then I went to the Bamboo Bridge.
Yeah, is it worth it?
Yeah, it was brilliant. I've got the scooter there.
Yeah, I have the scooter here, so I was gonna after this do like the Bamboo Bridge and the
Yeah, it's nice. It's a beautiful walk.
Okay.
Like, but once I left there, I fell off my bike.
I mean, it's not too bad.
No,
to be honest.
the bike's not really damaged either. So I went and got a bit of super glue this morning, fixed it up.
Should be
And then after that last night I went to a cafe called Paradise Bar.
Okay.
And I took some magic mushroom smoothies. They were wild. I was just sitting looking into the distance and the trees were going all over the place. I'm just like, I need to go home and lie down. Yeah, it was cool as. What's your name?
Mary.
I'm Connor, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. How long do you plan on staying here for?
I mean, I leave Thai tomorrow, but here until I'm tired of it.
Yeah.
I don't like. I want to go to the canyon for sundown, for sunset. So I've got plenty of time to just chill here and do.
I hope you ain't scared of heights.
Yeah.
No, the canyon's really small
I love
pieces.
It. Perfect. I wanted to do like a nice hike to another waterfall.
Yeah.
It's because it's been raining so much the last couple of days. It's like impossible to get to, or like in a safe way. And since I was just by myself, I figured let's not risk it.
Yeah.
So
I think after here I'm going to go to, I think it's called Tambok Cave.
yeah.
It's like an hour away.
Yeah.
So I'll take a drive up to there. Hopefully no crashes.
Yeah.
And then I don't know if you have to get a boat there.
I don't know.
But
honestly, because that's a bit too far off for me, I think.
yeah.
Maybe tomorrow in the morning.
Yeah, it'd be good. This is my third day in Pai.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I've got one more night and then gonna go back to Chiang Mai for one night.
Yeah.
Gonna do a podcast with my friend. So I'm going to see him. And I might go to Chiang Rai. I wasn't going to go to Chiang Rai.
I was gonna, but I don't know. I think I might skip it because there's so many.
Let's go into the water and test how cold it is. Up in Mary says it's freezing. She dipped her toes in, so let's go right in. Oh. Spot on. Love it. So if I don't fall back here. There's lights out there. Too siding up that. Next thing I'm going to do is in the side at some point. But I need to make sure I'm going down the right bit. Perfect. It's a bit slidey. I tried to go to this wee bit here. That island, but it's too slidey to get up. I think I'm going to go for a slide now. Fucking dodgy shit. Slidey as fuck. Wait and see how these guys are going first. Oh. Yo, brother. Huh? Yo. Good? I've not done it yet. Not yet. Good. That's fucking dodgy. Oh.
Down that bit there. See, he slid it right.
Oh.
We hit that gap.
Easy.
That's fucking sick.
Wow.
I went over the big gap, bro.
The man's up. I think maybe.
Oh shit.
Oh! Oh! Good.
Yeah.
I think the objectives for to slide on the left or the right side when you're up there. Oh, refreshing as fuck though. Woo. Banging. Because I didn't really plan on staying here like 20 minutes until I knew this was here. So probably chill for like an hour or two and then we'll see what happens later. But cool wee spot. We've got a good wee seat up there anyway. We're getting watched.
I feel like they think they're gonna slide into it.
Yeah.
Don't go that far. Actually make this dinner. So I've just been eating so much of that shit and getting a bit of sun and yeah, working wonders.
Fix that with a little bit of coconut oil, man.
Yeah.
Hopefully not back to the car park.
You gotta be careful though, don't overtake.
Yeah, but that's the thing in New Zealand though, is that then you
Well, so I'll take a wee walk away from the waterfall to go and do a bit of exploring and see what's down here. One of the wee Thailands, man. Loving life. Sorry, chap. Big ass blister right my toe on my arms. Look at this. Sore as fuck. Fuck it. Could be worse. Wow.
imagine going down that on your fucking
You probably could. Probably. With a helmet.
yeah, it's bad.
Such a beautiful spot. Yeah, just watch yourself, brother. I don't want to fall down there. Danger, danger. That's not going any closer to the edge. Fall down that, be gone, man. Such a beautiful spot though. Living a life. I'm glad I found this wee place though. I don't even know why I wasn't going to come, but glad I got my towel and that stuff and the flip flops. I didn't fancy getting my shoes all wet. It's just what you would expect Thailand. Expect Thailand to be like. It's beautiful nature. Look at this. That's crazy.
She got on Koh Samui and
How much did that cost?
$50.
No way. I've never seen one of these before. That is cool. That little hamster.
Oh, is he bleeding? Or is that me?
That is mental. What's it called?
It has wings. It has wings, like a.
That is insane.
See?
Yeah.
His name's Wombat.
Wombat. Nah, I don't want to go near the Scottish. That is crazy.
He just wants to sleep.
he's nocturnal, so he only really runs around. Like he's real slow right now, but at night time he's real quick. It's weird. Yeah. He's gotten so big.
Oi! That's cool, man. A sugar bladder, that's called.
Yeah.
One back to the sugar bladder. Chilling out. Banana and papaya smoothie. Banging. I try.
Yeah, go on.
Banana and papaya.
Oh, that's nice. That's like,
It's good, man. It's different.
fuck yeah. That's like
Want to try this?
so prime. Wait, try that, Jeff. That's actually nice. I didn't expect that. And the banana with it, bro. That's so prime. It like blends proper.
Yo, that's actually yum, bro.
Yeah.
I'm
I
gonna start
wasn't
getting
expecting
that. That's gonna be my new regular, bro. That's good.
So you definitely want to go do Mojito tomorrow?
Yeah, man, for sure.
What's the place?
Back at night time. I'm gonna go and grab a lunch. I end up going back to the hostel after that Waterfall just to chill for a bit, get a shower and relax, man. Fucking tiring day. And yesterday was a lot of stuff was done, so we'll go and see what's happening tonight. Maybe get a smoke somewhere, but I need to get some munchies. The only thing I dislike about parties is that I don't really feel like there's much to do for me at night time because I don't drink. Like, it's pretty much a party place. And obviously I'm not sitting getting full of mushrooms every night and up your junkie.
One big.
But fuck knows. I don't really feel like it's that big. Maybe take a wee drive through somewhere else because I feel like not really much to do. Pretty much what I just says. Nah, fuck knows what to do. I want to get some munchies. I'm maybe need to send some shit home as well. So my backpack's getting very, very full, overloaded with clothes. So I need to figure out where to do that. And I'll need to see about tomorrow. I think I'm going to go for a Muay Thai session with one of the boys I met today up at the Waterfall. And maybe go to the canyon again, spend a bit more time instead of just 20 minutes. I'd take a come out to Sunday, but I feel like a wee long holiday. Not a day, just last couple of days in Pai. I don't know it's a bad thing, but there's not really much to do at night time, like I said. I was playing with two boys for the hostel earlier, for London, a game of pool. Obviously Scotland 2, England 0. Too easy. All sorts of dogs, man. Nah, I don't think there's anything done here. Can figure it out in a minute. It's 7:10 now actually, so I think the plan is for me the rest of the night, get a munch, get a massage. Well, get a munch, get a joint, get a massage. I think that's what the plan is. For a gaff, man. Let's see what this wee place does. No, I'm wanting some chicken and rice, no chicken and chips. Heavy council dinner. Look at that, some sort of stir-fried chicken. No, stir-fried pork actually, with rice and 2 eggs. A watermelon shake while watching can't even mind that it's called Waterfall boys or something. Mad guy that retired. Can't even honestly, but I'm gonna get stuck into this. Gonna get a joint, get a massage and get my bed. Tired. I am stuffed after that lunch, man. Fucking hell. That's probably the biggest portion I've had since I got to Thailand, and it was fucking delicious. I ran 70 baht for that lunch and this movie, so just under a fiver. Like, you cannot complain about the prices. It was actually pretty nice as well. Like, I don't think I've had a proper bad meal in Thailand. The worst thing I've ate is that durian fruit, but you can't even pay me to eat that shit, that's fucking minging. So aye. And see what's happening. I'd probably say I'll see what's happening about 5 other things in this vlog there. Clicked on. I'll see if I can refrain myself for it, but better luck with fucking growing a set of wings and flying away. So this is the thing I'm wanting to do tomorrow, Van Cave. Sadikap! Does look good though. Sunset Pie Canyon. Well, it's good fun. I'll maybe see you later, okay? Cup and cat. Never see me again. So let's go and get a joint for somewhere and get back. I actually need to check for my Thai gym for tomorrow because that boy, that boy's wasn't able to sort one. He says there was a Muay Thai gym next to the wee gym that he was using, and it's only got one trainer in it who does 1-to-1 sessions. Fuck that. I need something like the heavy hit boxing gym in Chiang Mai, if such a thing exists. But we need to get another bike tomorrow. Might not have realised in fucking Thailand, I don't know, see the, what do you call it, the bananas, they're fucking about that size, which is insane. Back home they're tiny, fucking tiny. Get a grip of that, stop fucking with our food. Goddamn, they want to come my way. Yo brother, can't got it singing there. Nothing else for it. Make them involved on my bike's parked as well. In fact, would that be better? No. Just forget what I was going to say though. Doesn't matter. So I've just been past these. 2 small changs. You get a vodka bucket for 150, a rum mix bucket 150. You get all this shit. Rum, tequila, all pretty cheap, £2 or less. Too bad I don't drink any. But the day's been a good day. 100 baht. 100 baht. You have a bin for this? Open cap. I don't know why my voice went heavy high pitched there. I feel like I want to get like a wee thing for my wrist. No like jewellery, but like something made. But I just don't know what. I've not seen. I've got an idea in my head what I want, but I've just not seen it. Holy shit! Oh, I'm gonna get up a bus here. Shit! Very full tight. Locked and loaded, kicking about with a pistol. Fucking crazy.
Right as I'm
Aye, so let's go and get a bike. I'm gonna go and put last cunt. How Belgian. He's been there the last 3 nights. But aye, let's go and get the bike. Stick the bike back at the hostel. Then I'll walk along, so it's only like 10-15 minute walk after that. No far at all, so can't complain. But while I'm here, I may as well go to 7-Eleven and grab stuff for later. I'm gonna be uncheated.